Sitting at the park. Look at how the bird is bathed. They're using the dirt to bathe themselves. Yeah. Using the dirt to bathe. You see that? Early in the morning, around 10:30 or so. The two big birds. At the park. I don't know which one is a male, which one is a female. The other one's standing with one leg. Is this the male or the female? But those birds always together, always working together. But they fly, but not too often. When they take off, I mean, they can fly. I seen it, but they always walk around. Not too often they fly. You see, they're using the red dirt on the ground to, you see that? They pick it up with their beak. To shower. First time I see that. See their color. I don't want to get too close to disturb them. But look at that. So they're showering early. See? Now he's gonna pick up. You see there? He pick it up. Then shower, surf, and sign out. Wow, so they're looking good. Look at that beam. Look at that. You see that? He sprayed the dirt, and then he's shining the feather. That's how they shower. Yeah, they shower. That look cool. It's crazy. It's crazy how they do it. They shower themselves, and they're very cool. Very cool birds. They don't even. Yeah. All right. Somebody coming by, so I don't wanna. They're using the dirt to shower. The red dirt. That's the first time I seen that.
That is so cool.
Yeah, right? Yeah. That's why the feather looks shiny. You see that? Look. You see that? They're showering early in the morning. Look at that. You see that? That's how they shower. So there must be something good about this dirt. If they're using it, you know it's good. They smart, you know that?
Yeah.
You see? They pick it up and shower. You see that? I would thought they would use water, but not dirt, right? See that? Is that cool?
That's probably what people learn.
Yeah.
The animals do it, and they do it.
Yeah, if they're doing it, that means it's good. If it's not good, they're not gonna use it.
I hear about people putting dirt on their wounds and stuff too.
Yeah.
They
So
probably get it from the animals.
yes, I think in Africa, they always use
Like some type of red
dirt.
clay.
Yeah, red clay.
Uh-huh.
So I'm figured out that's where it's coming from. You know what I mean? So even like food, if it's not good, they're not gonna eat it.
That's when I start to see, like, if you see your bugs eating it,
This good.
yes. But you put a McDonald's burger down, they don't eat it.
No, because something wrong with it. Yeah. All right, man. Nice talking to you. Yeah. So I was talking to my homie passing by, exercising. So watching the bird, and the bird is showering. So yeah, this is amazing. Yeah. So that's the first time I see that too. The bird is using the dirt. Good morning. See, the bird is using the dirt to shower. Yeah. So see that? It's amazing how they're using the dirt early in the morning. So they really really smart. There's something good about this red clay. You know, something must be good. When they finish, I'm gonna see what's this kind of dirt. I'm gonna show you. So I don't wanna disturb you guys. So I'm at the park right now. Cars passing by. If you guys hear high nose. So I'm just sitting, watching the two birds bathe, taking shower, using dirt. And then if we human use it, you say, "Yeah, we nasty. Why you use dirt to shower?" Look at that. Look, you see that? They're using dirt to bathe. See that? Then they're looking good. They shiny. Look at how they grabbing the dirt, the red clay. See that? Boom. They bathe. So I'm sitting. They're very social. I don't bother them. They don't bother me. So I'm waiting until they finish so I can see the clay. What's so good about it? Something must be good. See that? They're grabbing it, put it in there, and then they shower. So they come from somewhere to come here. They must doing it every day. Not something they just started. Maybe that's their spot to shower. You know? So you guys can see it for yourself. This is not a joke. If they can do it, why not us? They have more sensor than us. They have this, they can scent thing. They can use the beak for magnet field something, whatever they, you want to call it. They can scent thing when it's good, when it's not. They can smell things. If it's good, if it's bad, they know. So for some of us, it's hard to know what's going on. It's hard. Look at it. Good thing is always around us, but we always mix things and destroy ourselves. Look at that. Dirt. The bird is using dirt to shower. See that? Early in the morning. Look at that. Put it in on them. They further look shiny, glossy. They're looking cute. They shower with the dirt. With the dirt. So at first, I thought they were eating, but they're not eating. It's the dirt. I see they pick it up to shower themselves. I don't know if it's two females. Oh, I don't know if it's one female. It seems like they look the same. I think it's two females. They look like two females. Because if there were two guys, they'd probably be done already. Guys don't take long in the shower. I don't know. I think so. Look at that. They look the same. I don't see anything different. So it's probably two females. They must be females. They're grooming themselves. They take their time. They don't even worry about what's going on here. They don't even care if I'm here. They're doing their thing. They're doing their thing. Y'all ladies looking good. Should be done already so I can see the clay. People passing by, they don't give a damn. They don't give a damn. They don't scare no human. They people birds. It's a huge park, so it's a huge park. It's a beautiful park too. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Great community. Yeah. Got soccer field, have basketball down there. That's the street. It looks like it's gonna rain soon. Car passing by. Yeah, there's basketball field all the way down there. So either they come play basketball. They're walking around. They have a tennis court. You know, it's awesome. Yeah, lady's not done. Still picking the dirt. Still picking the dirt. Ah. Come on, guys. So you guys can see. See it for yourself. See that? Picking the dirt. See that? They showering themselves. This guy gonna pick up the dirt. You see that? See the dirt? Yeah, you see that? And spread it under him. Yeah, spread it, grooming. Here we go. See the dirt? Pick up the dirt, see? All over. They put it all over their body. The feather, making them shiny. Look at that. They ladies, man. This is not males. They ladies. Look at that. Look, pick up the dirt, the clay, the red clay. Something must be good about this clay. It must be good. There's the clay. See the red clay? See that? Let's pick it up. Spread it all over. See? See that? Pick up the goods. See that? You see that? See how you spread it inside? Look at it. All over. They're showering. They're very clean birds. Long legs, long neck. They tall. See that? How they pick up the dirt? You guys see it for yourself. I'm sitting next to them. They don't move. They don't give a damn. That is looking good. They don't give a damn. See that? The dirt. Showering with the dirt. It's a long field down there. Yeah, you're looking good, girl. Very good again. I've been showering for a while. Guys, yeah, it must be girl, ladies. Hey, girly. Very girly. They take long to shower. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching. You guys can see, so here's the clay. It's a red clay, so they're using. You see that? So I seen some people in Africa using it, so it must be good. They say it's good. Now I see it for my own self. Look at that. If their bird can use it, that's when it's good. You see that? Bird not gonna eat anything if not good. If it's not good, they're not gonna eat it. If it's not good, they're not gonna use it. You know what I'm saying? Something's good about this clay. Some kind of minerals in it. That's good. See how they digging it in the ground? Something's good about this clay. Alright guys, thank you for watching. So you guys should see now. So you got the idea. You got the picture. So thank you for watching.